Hi, welcome to Ethereal Mechanics video number 43. This is a look ahead. What we're going to do is give you a general overview of where we are going and what you can expect. The reason why I'm doing this now is because a lot of people are wondering about FTL drive and all that other stuff, and we have a long way to go before we can even discuss that. But I want to show you where we're going so you can understand the steps along the way before we can start talking about interesting things like faster-than-light starships. First, we have to get through the Pretonic model field derivation. Okay, we got to find the correction to the gateway model to come up with the proper model, which includes changing out force. Okay, and then we need to apply the gateways on deck, which are mentioned in 41, and then we need to apply the new math construct. Okay, after that, we need to correlate those Pretonic field models with states in the ether. Like, is the shear of the ether this kind of field, or is the density of the ether this kind of field, all that kind of stuff. So now we have to develop ether field states, which will arise from the Pretonic models. After we develop that, then we can start developing the ether wave models. And then we can develop the velocity of the fields, which then will lead to the ethereal wave propagation model. And then we have to go back up the echelons. Okay, now we can develop a Pretonic version of TONS, which match observations better than the new electromagnetism versions. And then we have to go and derive the cosmology effects that we developed from the electronic analog to make sure we didn't lose anything in the derivation. Make sure that these more basic fundamental models predict everything that we see from the quantum mechanics side or what used to be the relativity side. After we get there, then we have enough information that we can start discussing what a faster-than-light starship will look like. And the other cool things that Ethereal Mechanics will predict. And I definitely thank you for your patience, and I thank you for your donations. Again, my name is Robert Distinti. I'm an electrical engineer with 30 years experience. If you can donate, I appreciate it. Thank you.